AI so powerful, it solves mysteries in seconds that today's fastest computers would take years to crack. Welcome to the supercharged era of quantum AI, reshaping our world right now. Introduction to quantum AI. Quantum AI fuses two next-gen technologies, quantum computing and artificial intelligence. While conventional AI already analyzes huge datasets, quantum computers use the power of qubits and quantum mechanics to process exponentially more information at once, taking smart machines to extraordinary new heights. How quantum AI works. Classical computers use bits, 0 or 1, while quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states at once. Quantum algorithms let AI models learn, optimize, and identify patterns in high-dimensional, complex data with jaw-dropping speed. Hybrid and quantum-enhanced AI tools will soon solve problems in seconds that might take years for even supercomputers. Game-changing use cases. Medicine quantum AI simulates molecules and genes in minute detail, revolutionizing drug discovery, vaccine research, and personalizing treatments for individuals, potentially saving millions of lives. Finance, super-fast AI portfolio optimization, real-time risk management, fraud detection, and high-frequency trading by analyzing global market data at speeds beyond anything seen before. Banks and investment firms are adopting quantum AI to stay ahead in a hyper-competitive world. Cybersecurity. Quantum AI can outpace cybercriminals using classical encryption methods, enabling the next generation of secure quantum-resistant systems. It can detect threats, analyze traffic, and patch vulnerabilities in real time, raising the bar for digital safety in every sector. The road ahead. Big names, Google, IBM, NVIDIA, Microsoft, and many startups are racing toward practical, large-scale quantum AI. Experts predict the next 5 years will bring real-world apps we can't even imagine. Smarter healthcare, unbreakable security, and AI-driven discoveries across science, energy, and logistics. Conclusion: CTA. Quantum AI is rewriting the rules of what's possible. Like, share, and subscribe for the latest on the tech that's changing the future. Today.